Hey guys, this is my last update on my sweet potatoes for this year. I started earlier in the spring with slips and took you through all the way to today, which is the harvest. So I'm going to harvest these potatoes and we're going to see how much we got this year. There's a good one. Look at that one. Okay guys, here's my second bed, so I'm going to start working on this one. Just finding the places where it's attached and then yanking up from there. I did two different types of sweet potatoes too. So this plant right here was New Jersey sweet potatoes. So these are a little bit more white skinned. I'm going to put these over on the other side because if I decide to do slips, I could do two different types. That one's one of the first I'm going to have to eat. If I'm looking at this bin here, I'm almost getting more and better quality in this bed than I did in the other. Now, does that mean I'm not going to do them in the other bed? No. It just means this year, look at that one. This year, this bed was a better bed than that bed. So I may do it again in this bed, but also try it again over there, because last year I did really well over there. The thing about gardening, you just got to plant a lot of seeds and see what happens. You can't just depend on one thing. Look at that one. Yeah. These are, oh, here's another one. Wow. This was a really good spot. Got two right in here. Oh, here's another one. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, and a little smaller. Take them. Yes. Oh yeah. Looks like I'm getting more out of this bed than I did the other one. I think that's it. Wow. Okay, we got a really good harvest here. Alright, so I'm going to take these, put them in a bucket, and weigh them. Here you have it, the sweet potato weigh-in. Alright, so I'm going to put this on the scale. Should activate the scale, and this year our number was 24.4 pounds. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching our sweet potato update. We have our next video is going to show you how we cure them. If you like this video, like below, comment, and share it with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.